Said the
Electoral Commission almost share sa exercise we are saying. Na amafo started say womo kasa say the way ade na ebe kono na emboa na mfa kosi na earlier sets aminya sukotna TV and radio. Now I was saying say sometimes no ma I was crying we dey say run of bekasa. But I was saying say well me madwen mo no kire me say when say enche na wango crop why some na nim fufure aye adwuma nya 60 years in the name of pension ni de kra woni ho crop na aban epe ache say ochina na ye de ade na else ye de ade na mawa ye pesa nka twen na bi a emri semum e na ye fa sa ade na nye de emma because sa ambre no aban hia sa ade no se na be ahohia hia e wi sa fa na nyina ko mu a ye so nya ye fair share of it no ye de so ne ma no obi a no na sam ni de po no se ne nanka e koba o. How much more say electoral commission ye nim wo mo say ye bedu time ye be ye registration no mo soa election no be soa bill kese unim 2016 it was around 386 million Ghana cedis. That was the money they were looking for. In fact, they were giving. Then when you come to 2020 it rose to I think 585 million. So I'm sure that this 2023 year 24 it will be beyond 600.
Yeah, Jessica.
Yes, can be sas in print play. Kasi unti ade ne nyanti ase. Menka yo. Ye me pa chen say, "Tama ye 3 something ye mom, 500 something ye mom." It just ye nim say every election year bian there is a level of increment bi ebem. Abind the ma no matter which government or ma
me
kire say. Me as I'm making me see no omumba out make aside. Now me the way na the corner in my way I was thinking oh ana say ebia sika se bio e ho akwa atwe. No say be say na economy na koye nti no ebia wo mo so in their thinking they feel like okay sadia ene ma yen koni say say na be ya say be sika say here it is characterizing electoral commission every 4 years as I hear no sasika say no mine emfa mine konko share sasika say no. That was my thinking then. Say oh bia na senti na wo mo sir. Now two me nya ba maliba na ti adwuma we share say nye ne o. We are very much aware we timamuni since we Ghana for some years now. You may equally be aware say there hasn't been any singular exercise of the UCC or limited registration and more papa e bedu the last date na ya share no by the 5 p.m. no aka say ampa omo aso sa age no wetimi register omo nyina definitely anytime no we have backlogs. The reason I'm saying that is e bedu time ya set limited registration the last day 5 p.m. no electoral commission officer no be catch about 5 no be say about 5 it omo ba after hours it see omo kwan say dey bi because above 5. Sometimes a party, your friend is saying, agents in the man, party officers say, "Wow, the team, a cranny omokasa." You didn't sing for a bay, or near Bibino in this, it means omokasa, baby sentence be or Utimi, Omutimi, maybe any 2 penaba, Utimi, a count. Not just on we go. But there are other places, and we have it on record. Say, we don't register everybody. And yes, the electoral commission at those times, no one more bomb, my dream, no more dream, Paul say, on person with disenfranchise Ghana for. But a mereno. Utie ma me kasa no.
From day one, yes, Ghana for bebre hu kwan ya ya man to aba.
Minka say ya the papa so.
It's a good practice.
And the obaka say me masem baby say. What's that me can come the shout. That is it.
We should not tolerate it.
That is where I am coming. Because we say enedie. Because we say enedie.
Say you good guy.
Badness neighbor. Badness neighbor. Badness am beto na adwumi no ahia say eba dey medim say na adwunko na eba say na day time say timi ba
daytime eba
enu kra wan hwekra no kra be dey see ana badness no my fan share baby this wa yan go yenim what me say give me patch na say e practice akoswa me in case electoral commission no whichever commissioner it is Safari and session lot and Jim Mensa me in case someone share that bomb 3 process I don't person you but it does happen eba. Now, young fan of limited registration. You see, no district center. Is it a novel situation? This is the first time ABC and ABS. What were the circumstances? 2016, that was the mop up. OBA in the limited registration, it went to the various centers. Just a cluster of polling stations. Maybe 4 be at the center.
Me person o chire mu ntam na me hu ba bia obelande.
And then your friends say, "You land so the who pa."
Okay.
The tobo. Who pentame we the tobo. And your friend is saying, "Obey any more pap no in 2016 no. Obey no ni various
yeah. And them
2019
say more pap. Aha.
2019 we went to district centers to do it. And we were look, about as well. Me constituency there because I don't travel to any other constituency. When it happens that yes, are limited, you know. Me constituency, we both NDC and MP, we are doing it. Now we the carry a coaching crofona because who know ni baby on crofona. Who know ni baby? Don't worry, who know ni baby on crofona. Amali bakasa oti mani kasa, mami kasa.
10 minutes.
See, and may interject him because you didn't do that to him. 18 no. I didn't know. I didn't know. I just say, I didn't hear no. A embre and a down. And I make us, I didn't see a year to be one. And a afena said, you Jimenez and the BB, I ain't who be that. And I'll patch the BB, I ain't that. And I see a BS. How is it? I was here, who any figures or boy, now person is about 400. I'll see 400 or higher. I'll see 450,000. And Crawford at 10-18, according to Ghana statistics record, every year piano and quite 10-18 years and around 450 a year projection. It's an estimate. Yes, and I say a bit less, a plus or minus. Or calculated 2021, 2022, 2023, 450, 1,350. And I'll see one more targeting not. And do 1 million. I'm target the end do 1 million. So on year because or the reason be to us and make we out person verify who the veracity of the Ubenya reason or the reason or the share when say. And also who them way and my betty I didn't you. Reason I see bearing in mind that not all will turn up to register within the period. Bearing in mind. Ghana for last and I make a last fit in the bedroom as a time and about 5. So you cannot do it. Bearing that in mind, so name the attitudes of Ghana. Oh my yeah. Do pa bohoni bi. Wo de sheda boho bi ne ye do an ye capture honey ye. Na ye hu say o kan sem ne gina bibi so. Na ne say wa bon na dweme po bi say because I was sem kan ya na kan any bi pa bi say. Just oh my your margin say ni part 1350 o mo register nyina da. But now there was on or kasa on a premise bi.
Man for sama sem no me say. Can you all cannot say
5 minutes not getting.
I go 2 minutes.
They're okay, you better
30 seconds. They're not making say it means not easy ya where say me register obia. And the other no frustrating Ghana for.
There's no frustration here. Me, I don't see this as frustration.
Not your mammy and frustration.
A honor crap or the way I'm passing address ceremony. The question we should ask ourselves and say, and the baby almost had the clock was sure getting to the latter part of branch and Edini Piano wasn't a bit so tremudid. The question is, Anna, a year say year registration, Tina, one usual, and that's a whole baby, I just almost baby almost usual path. You use attending to a man. What should we? Oh. Ye penny ye uti house Ghana ye into the United States. And she said, my focus would rather be said, Argentina be sour a quiet for a use. Not for all these years. I buy a call, buy a call. No, so no much. What are we? What is the message that we should send out to those in authority? Say a honor, no was a body bium, was it petoy? How they say, I got him. Thank you, Nia. I said, look. A coin grove faso new, and yeah, for purposes of say a quiet registration, a yomo quaya, one more faso. To say a service or bill for yam, no co hospital, say Cromo city or no capital honor hospital. And just a pay for you 9 months, you didn't saying, no planation, Edinica. I mean, this is what we should. But yes, yeah, didn't say registration in Pennington.
Registration on no PM, baby, or
and I make you say, and I didn't yen, and I registration, and I say, Yomo quaya, musu, then be a say, means of transportation. Say, who do that ender? Also, Cabrane do see na console. Eduja. ATM be supposed to school for so if I school the other side. Did they be this a routine on first one? These are some of the things that we should raise concerns about. And that is what I'll be happy to join forces with you. Say, look, we should let those in authority know, say, honey, as a boven unibium, this is what we need there. We don't need to recite or come from that area to speak for them. Don't you do it that way? But I say, we are just trivializing the whole thing. And that is what I find problem problem with okay baby I see 18 today. Oh yeah, no you analyze me just say omo benya 18 and then no woman can say projection or 1350 no omo kan because I see 450 for 2021, 450 for 2022, 450 for 2020. So the entire 2022, on himself by the end of 2023, also on 1,350. Into the other way, when it terms on you do 1,000.
1 million asem na come.
1 million, 1.350. What me say? Yes. Enati, me you am about at constitutional provisions any CI 91. But ni we say Article 46 is also telling us say the Electoral Commission, you know, they have their independence. It is spelled out in there. Article 46 said the Electoral Commission, in the exercise of its duty, you know, look, no authority, no person, and no kind of the master may say, or see, independence of the commission, except as that's Article 46 of the 1922 Constitution, or see, except as provided in this Constitution or in any other law, not inconsistent, and okay, the inconsistency rule. No. Yes. In any other law not inconsistent with this Constitution, in the performance of its functions, the Electoral Commission shall not be subject to the direction or control of any person or authority. And when I hear Dramani Mahama Katre in 2016 say, we should leave the Electoral Commission to do their work. It is their work to do, so we should allow them to do their work. In 2016. He told us, yes. No, the reason why he was saying that, he said, Onuna do one appeal to no. When he saying that, when he saying 2015, when he say 2015, no, even let my vote count. They went on the Electoral Commission. Electoral Commission picket. Emma said justice Jakoma, the new boy and never done it. What done it actually a friend is I don't know you John Roman say.
I watch him baby.
You cannot force no authority to say or no presidential authority to force a director because the Constitution you say memo be and be a year inconsistent to what is written here.
Why are they? Bravo.
Titi.
Yay.
Iron lady.
Yay.